yung gagawin natin is i-merge natin to, yung ating mga files na belong sa isang upload box. So for the file 1, ITR, so itong dalawa is i-merge ko into one PDF lang. So that is using I Love PDF. Punta tayo dito sa ilovepdf.com. So ito, click nyo na itong merge PDF. And then select PDF natin. Select PDF files. Ayan, so piliin nyo yung mga PDF files na gusto nyong i-merge. So in my case, itong dalawa, i-merge ko. The proof of payment and the tax return receipt confirmation email. Ayan, so pwede natin iuna yung ating tax return receipt confirmation and next is the proof of payment. So after that, ito click nyo sa baba itong merge PDF. Ayan, and then click yung download merge PDF. So balik tayo sa ating EAFS. So sa EAFS, makikita niyo naman yung naming convention. So magkakaiba tayong naming convention. Yung nakalagay dyan yung TIN number ninyo actually. So ito, income tax return. Ayan, so EAFS, ayan, and your TIN, and then the ITR, taxable year, yan, 12 December 2025. So yan, i-copy ninyo, and then balikan nyo yung file. So pwede nyo piliin, right-click ninyo, copy, or sa keyboard niyo piliin nyo Control C. So either lang yan. So ito, piliin natin is right-click and then copy. And then puntahan nyo yung file nyo, yung PDF file nyo, and then ipipaste nyo or i-rename nyo yung PDF nyo using this naming convention for the income tax return. So ito yung PDF natin. So pwede nyo i-right-click and then rename. Show more options, ayan, and then rename. And then copy, i-paste nyo na dito. Ayan. Right-click nyo, paste, or Control-V. Ayan. So, ito yung EAFS. So, ayan. So, pwede na natin i-upload to because na-rename na natin siya using yung ating, yung required na naming ng ating EAFS. So, balik tayo sa EAFS and then dito sa income tax return, ayan, choose. Piliin natin yung ating na-merge na PDF. So, this is the one. And then, i-double click ninyo. Ayan. So, pag nakita nyo may file na dyan, so, ibig sabihin successfully, ayan, na-attach nyo na yan. But, isasubmit pa doon natin.